welcome to 100 Proof Emma. Today we're actually going to be making a 0 proof mocktail. Super easy to make at home, especially if you're going through a small detox like I currently am. So what I'm going to be using are 3 ingredients. I'm going to be using an organic sparkling kombucha. The reason why I want to use it as sparkling is because it gives you kind of that bubbly taste like you get whenever you drink champagne. And I wanted to use kombucha because kombucha is actually fermented, so it has a very minute fraction of alcohol in it. I think it's like 0.5%. Not enough to make any kind of impact whatsoever, but still makes you feel good. I'm gonna muddle this with maybe a 1/4 cup of blueberries and a few cucumber slices. So try it at home and let me know what you think. So guys, I'm using the Koi brand organic kombucha, blueberries, and cucumber. Easy to make. Okay, let's give it a shot. So this is organic sparkling kombucha. It's lemon lime flavored, maybe a 1/4 cup of muddled blueberries and just a few slices of cucumbers. Reminds me right away of like a non-alcoholic white sangria, especially with the floating fruits and vegetables on the top. It's actually really super easy to make, perfect for a girls' night out, and it's super fun. Cheers!